Today we're going to make a grilled peach and apricot salad with chev and prosciutto. It's really easy to make. All you have to do is grill some fruit and put it together with some cheese, some prosciutto, some arugula, top it with a little balsamic vinegar and honey. It's fantastic and gorgeous. There's nothing quite like fresh stone fruit. And when you grill them, it concentrates the sweetness. So what we're going to do today is just take the pits out. Apricots are usually pretty simple. They generally just pop right out. If it's sticking a little bit and it feels like the fruit is just a little soft and it just doesn't want to give, feel free to just grab a paring knife and just kind of scoop it out. With a peach or a larger fruit like nectarine, sometimes the pit will stick. The easiest way to do it is to do a crisscross all the way around the fruit. And now you have a cross pattern. Just grab one half and twist the other half the opposite direction, and it should just pop right out. So then you have some quarters, and if this happens to stick, it's very easy then at that point to just take your knife and scoop the pit out. So our peaches and apricots are pitted and ready for the grill. All you need to do at this point is drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and watch them closely. They will scorch because there's so much sugar in them. We're just going to put them on a few at a time, and as soon as they start to release, just about a minute, 45 seconds per side, give it a flip. And we'll do that on each side and then pull them off. We're ready to assemble the salad. It's really quick and easy. All we're going to do is put down a bed of arugula. We'll just top it with the peaches, break our goat cheese over it, put prosciutto on top of that. For this, I'm using a good quality balsamic vinegar. This one is a 6-year. I also have an older one here that's a little thicker, but you can mimic this by simply taking an inexpensive balsamic vinegar and just reducing it on the stovetop. Just reduce it by half. There's no need to make a dressing for this. You just drizzle a little of this, a little honey, a little olive oil, pinch of salt and pepper over the top of everything, and you're going to love how summery and simple this salad is.